Hey there. So, imagine you're trying to set up a quick ad hoc web server to share some files with your local network, but for some reason, no one else can access it. A classic tech problem, right? You've tried different addresses, checked the ports, but nothing seems to work. Frustrating, isn't it? Well, let's dig into this conundrum and see what might be going on. In the solution, we have a handy trick up our sleeves. We're going to try to telnet into the server on port 80. If the connection fails, it could be because the web server isn't listening on all interfaces, or maybe a firewall is blocking access to that port. But if you can connect successfully, then the issue might lie with the web server itself not responding as it should. Simple, right? Let's see if this little test unveils the root of our problem. To wrap things up, remember, if you're having trouble accessing your ad hoc web server on the local network, give Telnet a try and see if it sheds some light on the issue. Hopefully, this solution helps you pinpoint the problem and get your server up and running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Who knew troubleshooting tech issues could be this exciting, right?